Let's talk about the recently launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy M55s 5G Premium Double Pattern Design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED Plus display, with 6.7 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 86.4% screen-to-body ratio. 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 50 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 14 operating system, up to 4 major Android upgrades. Based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz single-core Cortex-A710 plus 2.36 GHz tri-core Cortex-A710 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 4 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.9 by 76.5 by 7.8 mm. And it weighs around 180 grams, and the color options, thunder black, coral green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M55s 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M55s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.